Leadership development training comes in the legal profession and can help lawyers in one area where every lawyer needs to improve, and that is in settling cases. What does it take to settle a case? I've settled over 1,000 of them in my 25-year career as a lawyer. And in our book, Leadership for Lawyers, we explain how leadership training and leadership development, how becoming a better leader will actually help you settle cases. Let's look at the basic elements of settling a case. First, you have to understand your strengths and weaknesses. You have to be able to analyze your case and its relationship with the law. You have to analyze your strengths and weaknesses related to your particular client. And then you have to study the other side, its position, its legal analysis, and the strength of its client. Then, of course, you have to study the venue, the legal jurisdiction, the type of jury you're going to get, the type of judges you're going to get, and the history of jury verdicts and judge verdicts in those areas. Once you've done all that study, though, then leadership really takes over. You have to lead your client to analyze all the risks of going to litigation and certainly the potential benefits. You have to understand your client's motivation for bringing the suit if you're on the plaintiff's side and the risk on the defense side of a very large verdict. You have to understand the stakeholders. Sometimes in your client situation, if you're on the defense counsel and you represent a company or an insurance company or a large organization, there may be many stakeholders who have a say in whether the case should be settled or not. Leadership is critical on the defense side just as it is on the plaintiff side. In every event, you need to be able to manage your client's expectations, a pure leadership activity. You need to be able to present a settlement offer which is both reasonable and credible, and you need to be able to give bargaining room so that the bargaining is done with civility, with honor, and in a way that promotes cooperation and collaboration. Certainly when it comes to your case being sent to mediation or arbitration, your leadership skills are essential. And so, hopefully, being able to be a better leader, understanding leadership development theory and training as it applies to lawyers as we present in our book, will help you get a leg up in being able to settle cases. In this day, with litigation becoming more and more expensive, not only in financial terms, but in personal, emotional terms on individuals, as it takes longer and longer, settling cases has its own value. It has great value. And your ability to perform as a leader with your client, with opposing counsel, will be an essential element of being able to settle a case on terms that are both acceptable to your client and acceptable to the other side and worthy of a true settlement. Thank you.